Deep within the heart of the dense jungle, where towering trees wove a thick canopy, the animals often spoke in hushed tones about the first light. It was said to be the magical moment when the sun's rays pierced the darkness, awakening the jungle with life and energy. One misty morning, a young curious monkey named Kavi woke earlier than usual. His mischievous eyes sparkled with determination. He had heard stories of the first light but had never seen it himself. Determined, Kavi decided to climb the tallest banyan tree to witness the wonder. "Kavi, where are you going?" called a sleepy leopard named Zara, stretching lazily on a sun-warmed rock. "To see the first light," Kavi replied, already halfway up the tree. Zara yawned. "That's just a story. Stay down here, it's safer." But Kavi ignored her. As he reached the highest branch, he paused to take in the view. The jungle stretched out below like an emerald sea. Birds fluttered restlessly, preparing for the day, and a family of elephants waded through the morning mist near the riverbank. Nearby, a crocodile glided silently through the water, only its eyes visible above the surface. Kavi's sharp ears caught the sound of rustling leaves. "Who's there?" he asked nervously. A low growl answered him. It was Raja, the tiger, his striped coat glowing faintly in the dim light. Raja climbed gracefully onto a neighboring branch. "You're brave to climb this high, little monkey," he said. "Do you know why the first light is so important?" Kavi shook his head, eager to learn. Just then, the golden glow of dawn began to break over the horizon. The sun's first rays spilled through the trees, creating a tapestry of light and shadow on the forest floor. The jungle stirred in harmony, parrots squawked brightly, deer ventured from their hiding spots, and the river sparkled with an otherworldly sheen. Even Zara, the leopard, looked up from her resting spot in awe. "The first light brings balance," Raja said. "It awakens not just the animals but the soul of the jungle. Every creature feels its power, from the smallest ants in their underground tunnels to the great elephants that roam the plains." Kavi noticed a group of playful otters chattering as they swam in the river, while a lone peacock fanned its shimmering feathers in the golden light. High above, an eagle soared, its piercing cry echoing through the trees. Suddenly, the eagle landed on a branch near Kavi. It was Akash, the wise guardian of the jungle. "Do you see now, little one?" Akash said. "The first light is not just about the sun rising. It reminds us that every day is a new beginning. No matter how dark the night, the light always returns." Kavi looked around at the animals below. The jungle was alive with hope, energy, and unity. The crocodile basked on a rock, the deer grazed peacefully, and the monkeys chattered joyfully in the trees. He felt a sense of belonging that he had never experienced before. From that day on, Kavi became the storyteller of the jungle. Each morning, he would gather the animals under the banyan tree to share the lesson of the first light, that challenges were temporary, and every new day brought endless possibilities. And so, the jungle thrived, its creatures united in hope and harmony, as the golden glow of the first light continued to bless their home. Kavi, the curious little monkey, became a symbol of courage and wonder, ensuring that the jungle's magic and spirit lived on.